Hey there, Chris. Mike Rada here. Just wanted to give you your PPC analysis from our management and then, of course, your management. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And again, what we're trying to do with PPC marketing is place your ads in front of someone based on the buying words that they are searching for. So not just people looking for information, but people that are actively looking to engage your business to purchase your service. So let's take a look at the management, again, from business fuel service to the next termite management, and that would be June 1st through July 1st, and that is based on the data that I sent you, and then, of course, the data that you had sent me. So if we take a look at May, and I sent you this in the PDF format, but I thought that it'd be a good idea to actually put this in perspective, this is the May information, and in May, over here you can see that we spent $1,261 and we got 8,000 impressions, 72 click-throughs, and this is really the first month that we had, and we just had started to optimize your account. We got a $17 cost per click. We generated a total of 25 leads, and of course that was a $50.48 cost per action. You, on the other hand, from what I understand, you're spending about $900 a month. You had gotten 3,229 impressions, 45 clicks, but only 4 conversions from phone calls. So that really equates to about $225 cost per action. And that's really the most important number. So basically, to summarize, for the month of May, you got almost 5,000 less impressions, paid $2.03 more per click. You got 21 less leads and paid $174.52 more per action. Again, per action is somebody contacting you via a form or calling you on the phone. So if we take a look at the last 30 days, the month of June, your management versus our management, again, we see that we spent about $984 versus your $900, and we got 4,598 impressions, where you got actually almost 6,000 impressions. We got 47 click-throughs. You got 77 click-throughs. But here's the difference, is we actually got 11 conversions. 3 people filled out the form, and 8 people actually picked up the phone and called you, where you actually only got 4 phone calls for a total of 4 conversions. So while the average cost per action for us was $89.45, yours was $225. So again, in summary, you got 1,394 more impressions and actually paid $9.25 less per click, but you got 7 less actual leads to your company and paid $135.55 more for those people to actually contact your business. So again, in summary, what we're doing is our focus is to optimize your campaign for spending efficiency. So your management got 28 less leads and paid an average of $155.04 more per lead over the last 2 months that we've actually been optimizing your advertising campaign. So I think we can safely say, you might want to go with 1 more month of analysis, but I think you can safely say that we are actually spending your money more efficiently than you are. So that being said, I hope this video was helpful to show you that we're spending your money more efficiently to get you more highly qualified leads and getting people to actually purchase your services. Hope that information is helpful. Have a great day.